What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Nia Lachey. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Today I have a tutorial on how I did my gel X. If you're interested, definitely keep on watching and subscribe before we get started. And let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna take a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe my nails off. Next, I'm going to size my tips, and you want to make sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall. That one is a little bit too big, as you can see on the side. So I'm gonna go smaller until I find the tip that fits sidewall to sidewall. Next, I am taking a fine grit sanding band, and I'm gonna go in and etch the tips. This will help with adhesion. And next I'm going to prime my nails, and I'm gonna kind of like scratch the primer on there, like etch it on, if that makes sense, instead of just like applying it like polish. And using this extend gel, I'm gonna apply a little bit of a base on my natural nails and give that a cure for about 60 seconds. And here I am applying the tips. With this, you have to, first of all, it would be easier if you had like a different kind of lamp, first of all, but mine broke, so I just turned my normal lamp on the side. But when it comes to applying gel X, you want to start at an angle at the cuticle and then push it down until the extend gel goes right above your natural nail. And try to make sure it doesn't go above your natural nail. And now we're going to start designing. I am using the Gothic Romance Halloween bundle from Aprés. I absolutely love Aprés and all their products. They are such good quality. If you are a part of the membership program, you get points and you can earn free gifts or cash back, I think. Don't quote me on that, I'm not sure. But I know you can earn free gifts, so definitely make sure you go sign up for that. And I am using the Nails by Dev Dream Liner bundle for this set, so definitely make sure you go cop that. These brushes are so good. I haven't touched any other brush that I have after I got these brushes. So on this nail, I am just making a lace design, and same thing with my pinky. I really just looked up a picture on Pinterest and kind of just freehanded this design from the picture. I've never done lace before in my life, and those boxes were a little bit too big, so I went back in and added more lines in between to make it look more like lace instead of like mess. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with a dotting tool to add some more details to make it look more like lace. And as you can see, it all came together. And she's so cute, she's giving fishnet lace. So this was my first time using it's called the Trio Starter Set from Aprés. It was my first time using these products, and I really like it. I think the charms stayed really well. They literally did not come off. A piece of my bow broke off on my ring finger, but that's because, you know, I'm a nail tech, I play with children. These nails are really long. I was just doing too much. But other than that, like all of these on this finger, nothing came off, nothing like turned colors. If you know, you know, like some metal like charms, if you don't coat them with any gel or anything, they will turn colors. That didn't happen at all, because after using the diamond gel, I used the iconic gel to go in and add some insurance. And when I tell you, nothing moved. Literally nothing. Nothing at all. They didn't turn brown. They didn't come off. Even with the so for the rhinestones, I actually used this bling adhesive, which is still really good because none of the rhinestones came off. Literally none. And yeah, I was very happy with all of these products. I would suggest that anyone who wants to take their nails seriously, I would suggest that you invest in quality products. Amazon may be, cheaper and more convenient, to actually get the products, but it's really a hit or miss. People can, put fake products on Amazon, and then you have an allergic reaction, and now, your nails are bruised, your nails don't grow back. Who knows? Just don't take the risk. Do your research. Ask, a local nail tech who, people trust, and get their opinion. Don't just, go based off of TikTok or something, because first of all, these people be lying. First of all, they be, just saying whatever they need to get that discount or whatever. Who knows, child? But one thing I do know is that you can trust Aprés. Aprés has good quality products, and you won't regret it. Your nails won't come off. They won't look dusty. They'll look like this. They'll look like this. They'll look fire. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what else you want to see. And I'll see you in my next one. Stay sweet and stay blessed. Bye.